Hello guys and girls, today we're going to be talking about one of our new sight words. Does anyone know the name of this sight word? I spelled it out here with my magnet letters. This is the word it. It. Let's say that word together 3 times. You ready? It. 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 I'm going to show you one of the strategies we're going to use when we get to come back to school in our reading groups. We're going to pull and spell this word one letter at a time, and then I'm going to slide my finger under it and say it. So let's do that together. You say it with me as I pull it and spell the letters, and then as I slide my finger under it and say it. You ready? I, T, it. Let's do that again. You ready? I'm going to push it back up. Let's pull and spell it. I, T, and let's slide and say it. Let's do that one more time together. You ready? I, T, it. Good job. We're going to practice this word some on our page today. You need to get this page out of your packet. It says sight word dab. We don't have our dot markers at home, so if you have dot markers, you can use them. But if you don't have one, we're just going to color the words, okay? That's what I'm going to do. Get a crayon out here to color while you get your paper out. Going to get our name on the top. And let's put our finger on this word it here in the middle. Let's spell it and say it again together. I-T, it. Let's do that again. I-T, it. We're going to be looking for these words in these bubbles. I'm just going to find a few of them with you. And then I want you to find the rest of them and color the circles with the word it in it on your own. I see one right there. I-T, it. There's one right next to it. I see some down here. So that's all you're going to do. You're going to keep going and you're going to find and color all the bubbles with the word it in it. I want you to come back and do that in just a minute because we're going to move on and do the other parts of it together first, okay? So I've shown you what to do up here. You can come back and finish that after we do the rest of our page. We're going to trace and write the word it. This T in it kind of has a little curve in it. Sometimes you'll see a lowercase t that looks like that. It's not just a straight line. So we're going to trace it. It's an I and a T. It. Trace that with your pencil. And then we're going to write it 1, 2, 3 times. I, T, it. Let's write it again. I, T, it. And one more time. I, T, it. All right, we're going to come over here and we're going to read these 3 sentences and we're going to match it to the picture that goes with it. Let's look at this first sentence. There's our word. It is a fly. Let's read that again together. It is a fly. We're going to draw a line. Which one of these is the picture of a fly? I think it's this bottom one. So we're going to draw a line and match those 2 up. Let's look at our next sentence. You ready to read it with me? It is a bug. Bug. Which one of these do you think is a bug? I think this is a lightning bug, so that'll work. Let's match those up. And let's read our last sentence together. Get your finger ready under that first word like good readers do. It is a bee. Bee. We've only got one picture left, don't we? That bumblebee. All right, so we've got those sentences matched up to the pictures, so you're going to finish up now. You can color the pictures of the fly and the bug and the bee. Then you're going to come back up here and find all the other circles that have it written on them and color those in. And then you can color the bear holding the sign with the word it. And we will practice some more sight words later this week. I'll talk to you then.